Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to create a random password generator using Python. So let me show you an example. Like now when we run it, it asks how many characters do you want your password to be? I'll write 7. Then it generates a random password. Your new password is this. So that's what we are going to be working on today. But before we go on, I have something which is useful for you. I know you're an absolute beginner in Python, and this tutorial membership will take you from an absolute beginner to an intermediate level and will also get you to be familiar with Python for just only $5 a month. And users will gain the benefit of a free tutorial for beginners and mentorship for 1 full month. Beginners will be able to code with Python freely. Beginners will be able to make better Python projects. Beginners will be familiar with Python programming language, and from beginner to intermediate, just 5 benefits for $5 only. So what are you waiting for? Don't forget to join right now. So the link is at the description below. So let's get started. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you learn more about Python programming and coding. So let's get started. So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to write import random, then secondly, and import string. So we're going to write while true. So the program will keep running over and over again. That's why we are going to write that. So let's write number of characters. Let's create a variable called number of characters, which is equal to int and input. And we are going to write how many. Example of what we are talking about is, we are going to write this. We are going to ask Python to display this for us and to enable us to input the number of characters that we want for our password. So let me just copy this for time, to save time. So copy and paste this here. So then we create a new variable, so that it can be able to generate the random character which consists of both uppercase, lowercase, punctuation and digits. So we are going to create a variable which is called letters. So letter, we are going to say equal to string. We are going to access this string right from here. This string, we are going to access this string module. Then we are going to write AC. We are going to write ASCII lowercase method. We are calling for a lowercase method from this string, and we are going to add it. We are going to combine it with another, then string again, dot uppercase. We are going to combine it with uppercase plus string module dot punctuation method, and finally string dot digits, that's the numbers which consist from 0 to 9. So pay attention to this side here. This is where it's going to be very important for you. You have to listen to this. We are going to create a variable called password, which is equal to join. We're going to write which is equal to random. We are going to call the random module dot sample method, the sample method in it, then letters, then these letters we are defining the sample by the letters and also the number of characters, the number in which we impute, whether we want 10 characters, 20 characters, 5 characters, 3 characters, and so on. So here what it's going to do now is that it's going to access this random module. Then under the sample module, it is going to generate random letters. These letters random, either combine the letter variable which consists of lowercase, uppercase, punctuation, and digits, and it will define it by the number of characters which we impute here, the number of characters. So if we impute 5, it's going to combine all these lowercase, uppercase, punctuation, and digits randomly and dictate it by the number of characters we impute. So that's what it's going to do. So we are going to write print, then we are going to say your password, your new password. Let's write your new password is, then the password variable. We are going to print out the random, the generated the password. We are going to print out the password. So let's run the program and see what is going to give us, or what is going to happen. Let's run it now. So it displays how many characters do you want your password to be. Let's write 7. Your new password is, pay close attention here. Your new password is 69. You see, I want to show you something. The password, it generates the password in a disordered manner. That means it is not well arranged or properly arranged, because we did not do something which is very important. Let me show you what we are going to do in order to join it and make it, to combine it in a reasonable way. So here's what we are going to do now. We are going to write this, then we'll write dot join, and we are going to write dot join. Whenever we do this, I will write dot join. It's going to join all of this into one single. It's going to join it like a word. So let's run it again. So how many characters do you want your password to be? I'll say 8. Your new password is, you see, it joined them finally. It's not like before when everything is scattered or disarranged. So it joined them, it unites them. Using this, we unite them and join the words together. That's how many characters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 and 8. So it joins in. So let's write, let's run it again. Let's write in 10 characters. It's going to bring a random combination of these lower case, upper case, and characters, and maybe digits if it wish to generate it randomly. So that's how to make a random password generator program with Python. So that's all. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So thanks for watching.